Hey guys, this is Kaya from Van Griffith Kia. This right here is a 2020 SX Turbo Kia Sportage. For the people that are a little bit more classy in life, you need that leather, you need those nice rims. All the good stuff is in here. Keyless entry. Boom. Look at this interior here. So beautiful. Nice touch screen right there. Got heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, electric parking brake, push to start, and a panoramic sunroof. And it can be yours. Just come into Van Griffith Kia, 377 in Granbury, and ask for Kaya at Kia. Look at the back end here real quick. Ooh, it's nice. Did I mention it was a turbo? It sure is a 2020. Come and get it. Bye guys.